Hi everyone, today we will introduce how to update the flight log of DJI Agras. Firstly, please connect the remote controller with the Wi-Fi and check whether the Wi-Fi status is good or not. And then in the settings, please check the network diagnosis to ensure the Wi-Fi connecting is good. And tap the troubleshooting icon and select the right issue category based on your situation. If you cannot find the right category, please tap Others and then tap Upload Logs. And then here you could find all of the flight logs of this aircraft. Please select the right flight log based on the timeline of the issue. And then the flight log will be compressed, processed, and uploaded to DJI management platform. Here, the flight log updating will take some time. That's why we need to connect the remote controller with the Wi-Fi at the beginning. Finally, you will get a QR code. Please share it with DJI support or local dealer who will deal with this issue for you. After the whole process, restart the aircraft and the remote controller so that you could operate it normally.